Good afternoon, Mr. Ando. I am thankful that you agreed to be part of this. I will ask you a few questions, but before for that, could you please introduce yourself?
I'm Kenneth Ando. Hello, everyone.
So these are my question for you. So, what are the factors or influence your travel destination choices?
Ni bakasyon akong ate atong nga times sa Pinas. Nga, ni sulti siya namo nga naglisod na siya. Kay siya ang nagsustento sa among mama at papa. O kami po nga nag-eskwela sa UC. So, mao to. Na desisyon na namo nga mo-abroad to me.
Hmm, so, what types of traveler are you?
Working traveler. Karon trabaho ko sa five-star hotel as a waiter.
Okay. So, next is, may I know which countries you have already visited?
Ang first na ko naatuan kay Singapore. Nya karon Dubai.
So, currently staying at Dubai. So, thank you for that. Hope to see you soon.
A big shout out to my classmates and friends in Philippines and also to my teacher, Miss Dunia. Usa ka pinakagwapa.
Oh,
Kuan, si Jante ko nimo sa una, ma'am. Bye-bye.
bye.